Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to make an easy garlic butter at home. To make this garlic butter, I have taken half a cup of unsalted butter. This is 113 grams of butter. You can use salted butter also if you want. And then I am using 4 large garlic pods. If you are using the small garlic, then you can use 5 or 6 also. Cut this into small tiny bits. I am using only 4 garlic here, but if you want the garlic flavor to be more intense, then you can definitely add more number of garlic. Along with this, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Chop these leaves also fine, just like the garlic. This coriander leaves helps to enhance the flavor of this garlic butter, so I have added it in. Then with the help of a pestle, I am going to crush this garlic and the coriander leaves. This will help enhance the flavor of the garlic. The reason why I cut the garlic into fine pieces and then I am crushing it is because I am giving this to small children. If you crush the garlic directly and add it in the butter, then definitely they will be able to feel the large pieces of garlic. But when you chop it into fine pieces, then they will not feel the garlic at all. You can also crush it directly without chopping it up. Then I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. If you don't want to add pepper powder, you can add oregano, chili flakes, any pizza seasoning or any herbs of your choice. I am adding only pepper powder. And then I am adding some salt to taste. I have used unsalted butter, so I am adding some salt. If you are using salted butter, then you can leave this step out. Now mix everything together. Make sure the butter is at room temperature, only then you will be able to mix everything together. So this is it, our easy and simple garlic butter is ready. You can put this in any butter box and keep it in your fridge and use it every day morning for your bread. Garlic butter is a favorite in our house. My son and me, we always love garlic butter. But because of this lockdown, we are not able to get any garlic butter from the stores. So I made a simple and easy garlic butter at home. Use this flavored garlic butter on fresh bread or toasted bread and it will lift your toast to another level. Instead of using plain butter, if you flavor your butter like this, it will really taste very nice. Kids will definitely love this kind of flavored garlic butter. Do try it out. Until next time, bye-bye.